Quick and easy temporary headlight cleaning.
So the very first thing that we did, or we're doing, is to kind of clean the headlight. We're doing a home remedy, so it's not gonna be 100%, but this is the after, and this looks really nice. This is kind of the before. It have on the baking soda paste on it right now. I'm there, rub it off, but this is how it's gonna look after. It still have yellow in, but it's a lot more clearer, a lot more clearer, as you can see. After I'm done, I'm gonna rub a little bit of this, a little bit of toothpaste on it, and try see if we can get it a little bit more clear. But this is it, baking soda, and put it in this and make a little paste type, mix it with the water. I will just rub it on and leave it for about 15 minutes, and then we clean it off. So this is a toothbrush that I'm using. If you look, you can see the yellowing coming off in the baking soda. That's what the baking soda does. It basically breaks down the discoloration, the yellowing.